Hey community, welcome back. If you're new here, quick welcome. We just talk about real tools that actually make life easier. Today we're doing something super simple. What the heck is Open Web UI? Why should you care? And why it's quietly gonna change how we build websites forever. Let's jump in. Every single website you visit has buttons, dropdowns, modals, tabs, menus. All the usual stuff. But right now, in 2025, most of those things look and behave totally different from site to site. It's chaos. And as developers, we waste weeks of our lives rebuilding the same damn components over and over. So what actually is Open Web UI? It's not a new framework. It's not Tailwind, it's not Bootstrap, it's not React. It's actually a community project that's trying to fix the web at its roots. They're basically writing the official rulebook that says, hey browsers, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and hey developers. This is exactly how a dropdown should look, behave, animate, and work with keyboard and screen readers. Forever. Think of it like the highway code for UI components. Right now, 2025, we have to build our own custom dropdowns because the default is impossible to style properly. Result? Extra JavaScript, bugs everywhere, accessibility nightmares, inconsistent experience. With Open Web UI standards, browsers will eventually give us beautiful, fully stylable, accessible dropdowns out of the box that just work the same everywhere. We stop rebuilding the wheel. We just style it and move on with our lives. Look at these examples they already designed. Tabs that actually look good by default, dialogs/modals that you can style without fighting shadows, menus that work perfectly with arrow keys, toggle switches that aren't a pain to make accessible. And the best part? All of this is built with accessibility baked in from day one. Open Web UI is still early. Chrome and Firefox are slowly starting to implement pieces of it. But the more we talk about it, the faster browsers will actually build it. If you're learning Frontend right now, start paying attention to this. In 3 to 5 years, knowing these standards will be as normal as knowing Flexbox or Grid. It's quietly one of the most important things happening on the web right now. If you want to geek out more, I'll drop the official site and GitHub in the description. Go start the repo, it actually helps push browsers to move faster. And if you like this, do subscribe, we do more of these every week. See you in the next one.